Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the most of Facebook's Pages to Watch feature. It's been around for ages, but people don't tend to use it and don't really see the value of it. So I'm going to show you how it's such a valuable tool in this, especially at the moment with all the changes that are going on with Pages and being what posts to be putting out and content. So this is really, really useful. So if you go to your insights on your page, and you scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see a couple of Facebook will make a couple of suggestions of pages for you to watch. Now, I didn't do anything about this for ages because it was the suggestions were people I knew quite well. And I thought that as soon as I was watching that page, they would be told, and I thought that was going to. I wasn't happy with that, but that's not the case at all. As long as you've got more than 100 followers, you get this feature, and if you're following them, they don't know. They'll get a notification to say that somebody is watching their page, but they won't know that it's you. All right. But you can totally ignore the ones that Facebook suggests and add your own pages, and you can add up to 100 pages. So and you can keep bringing the changes. So you just need to click on this button here, add pages, and then you just pop the name of the page that you want to watch up at the top. But you don't need to be liking that page, you don't need to be following that page in order to have one that you're watching. All right. And if you don't know which ones to go for, something again you can do, just go to your profile and you can type in, say it's you follow Mari Smith and you like what the content Mari Smith gives out, but you want to know what people like yourself, other people that like Mari Smith like you do or like I do, who else do they like? All right, and then that it's going to give you some other ideas of pages to follow. So pages liked by people who like Mari Smith, put that into the search bar, and then you've got all these other pages here similar to Mari Smith. It's what people like myself are following, so you can do so too, and keep watching those pages. So let's go back. So what's the information that you get? Well, you can see exactly how many likes they've got. You can see the engagement and how that's gone up from last week. The posts that they're putting out. Now, this is pretty interesting because listening to a podcast the other day, Social Media Examiner, and Mari Smith as well. It's all about quantity, I'll say that again. It's about the quality, not the quantity. So you're wanting to put out good quality content that, and it's going to draw conversation, because it's not all about the likes anymore, and not even about sharing necessarily. It's really the comments that is really what Facebook are looking to see, and then that will be shifted out into the newsfeed. All right. So you can see the high engagement here on these various pages. Jackie here, she's put a lot of posts out, but her engagement is not as much. However, saying that's because her she's not got as many followers as well. So let's see how many. I've got some more down here. And Carly is, I would say, my mentor as far as social media is concerned, and my e-commerce. I work with Carly quite closely, and it's great to see what she's doing. I learn so much from her, and she's got just roughly around about the same sort of followers that I have, and it's put about the same amount of posts, but she's got a heck of a lot more engagement here, and so it's useful then to see, well, what led to that engagement. Okay, so you've got a couple of options. You can go on to, actually scroll right to the top of the page and then click on posts, and then you can click on top posts from the pages you watch. So you can look and see what was the top post this week that's brought out that engagement. Is it something that you could emulate? Is it something that you could learn from? is it the style that, that's going to help you, the type of post, the type of content. So this is really useful stuff here, guys. So if I click on to Carly, I think she was offering so a listing calendar, some email swipes, an e-commerce book. There's a lot of giveaways. Not these actually, no, it wasn't giveaways. It was actually there was a cost to it, but it was a small cost, and then she needed people to like the post and comment below. Now, just by putting one word in, that possibly is not going to be what's going to be held in high regard going forward. But it didn't actually just produce this within the comments. She actually did get a lot of conversation going. So that's what's boosted the engagement on this post. It's not necessarily just liking or putting the one word in. You need to get conversation going. So let's just get rid of that for now. And then what you can also do, so if we go back to Insights, scroll back down again, and you can actually click on the person. So we click on, let's click on Tanya here. And you can see Tanya's top posts from this week. So not just the top post, but all of the top posts from the week. So lots of information there, lots of great ideas, content, and a really easy way of keeping on top of what's going on, either with your competition, people you admire, people that you find motivating. So hopefully you find that interesting. And if you do, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there'll be lots more videos coming your way. And if you're watching this on Facebook, then make sure that you've clicked the see first or notifications, and just make sure that you're not missing anything that I'm putting out there. All right, so that's it for now, and I will catch up with you soon. Bye for now.